Preparing and taking your weekly weight loss shot is easy. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Remove the caps from each side of a new insulin syringe. Careful not to touch the needle. Remove the hard cap from the medicine vial. Pull back the plunger to bring air into the syringe and insert the needle into the vial through the rubber stopper and push all of the air into the vial. Now turn the vial and syringe upside down and pull gently on the plunger of the syringe until you get the desired quantity of medicine. Tap the barrel of the syringe to make any air bubbles rise to the top. Remove the syringe needle from the vial. Step 2. Using a disposable alcohol swab, clean a small area on your stomach, thigh, or back of the arm. Ideally, in a place where you can pinch a bit of fat. While pinching your skin, insert the syringe fully into this sanitized spot and slowly push the plunger down until all of the medicine is inside you. Remove the needle and replace its cap. Step 3. You may want to rub the surface of your skin to help the medicine disperse. Dispose of the syringe in a sharps container. Place unused medicine back into a refrigerator. That's it.